Airplane looks good. Looks like a jet. Throw it. Jasmine thought she got the first pick today. I did. Terrible shot. See, you gotta line it up perfect. Come on! This video is not going well. That was a good one. I glided. Get it! Oh. That absolutely sucked my butt. Get it! You got kidding me. Come on, you guys could really think this could be a lot better. Well, I'm just showing you guys my paper airplanes I made. My mom made this one. This video is going on YouTube. I haven't made videos in a while. So this is also going to be my house tour pretty much. But good airplanes. My mom made this one. Woo-woo! I threw better than that last night. Ooh. I ain't getting any of these in the shot. Sorry this video sucks. But seriously, alright. I'm gonna end this video from here. Hope you guys enjoyed, but oh yeah, I'm not done with house tour. So I've been here. I've been in the kitchen. I'm going to do just a basement. Just kidding. But something else for some different reason. This has pretty much been the house tour. So hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, comment, like, and subscribe. So yeah. So I'd like to say pretty much goodbye.